What if the key to financial freedom isn't hidden in a secret formula or a quick rich scheme? What if it's not about winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune? The year is 2024, and the best financial advice isn't a secret at all. It's a change in perspective. It's about understanding what money means to you, the power of consistency, and taking control of your narrative. Consider this. What does financial freedom mean to you? Is it the ability to travel the world without a care? Is it the peace of knowing your children's future is secure? Or is it the freedom to spend your time as you please? This understanding, your why, becomes the fuel that drives your financial decisions. It helps you allocate resources and prioritize your spending. Now think about the power of small, consistent steps. The journey to wealth isn't about striking gold. It's about making conscious choices that accumulate over time. It's about automating your savings, choosing to pack a lunch instead of eating out, and preferring to cook at home. These small decisions, when compounded, can significantly pave the way to a secure future. Investments are crucial, but the greatest return on investment comes from investing in yourself. By developing skills, seeking knowledge, and prioritizing well-being, you empower yourself to earn more, make sound financial choices, and navigate the ever-changing economic landscape. While financial security is paramount, it's essential not to lose sight of what truly enriches life. Experiences that align with your values, be it traveling with loved ones, pursuing a passion project, or learning a new skill, can contribute to overall well-being and motivate you to achieve your financial goals. And lastly, celebrate your progress. Every financial achievement, no matter how big or small, deserves recognition. This not only reinforces positive behaviors, but also boosts confidence and fuels the journey towards financial freedom. In conclusion, financial freedom is more than numbers on a bank statement. It's about empowering yourself to live a life that resonates with your values. By embracing a growth mindset, prioritizing long-term goals, and celebrating progress, you can unlock the secret weapon you have always had: the power to build a secure, fulfilling future. This is the true essence of financial freedom in 2024.